Hey, everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we have a mouth-watering recipe that's perfect for those busy weeknights. We're going to make a delicious one-pot chicken fajita pasta. It's a Tex-Mex twist on a classic pasta dish. So, let's get started. We'll need boneless chicken breast, colorful bell peppers, onions, penne pasta, some olive oil, fajita seasoning, garlic powder, salt, pepper, diced tomatoes, chicken broth, and of course, some shredded cheese for that extra cheesy goodness. Now, let's chop our bell peppers and onions into thin strips. This will give our pasta those vibrant fajita flavors. In a large pot over medium heat, let's drizzle some olive oil and add our chicken breast. We'll cook it until it's nicely browned and cooked through. Next, we'll toss in our bell peppers and onions, letting them cook until they become tender. Now, it's time to add our fajita seasoning, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Stir it all together to infuse those flavors. To bring our dish together, we'll add the diced tomatoes and chicken broth. Give it a good stir, making sure everything is well combined. Now, let's add our penne pasta right into the pot. We'll let it cook for about 12 to 15 minutes or until the pasta is al dente. Once our pasta is cooked, it's time for the finishing touch. Let's sprinkle a generous amount of shredded cheese on top. And there you have it, our one-pot chicken fajita pasta is ready to be enjoyed. Thank you all for joining me today. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel for more mouth-watering recipes, and let me know in the comments how yours turned out. Until next time, happy cooking!